look at our grip. So look at the palm here, and you can see we've got this space between the middle and the knuckles. So you can see this right here is the center line, and then above that is where we're aiming for. Alright, so I'm going to grab my pole here, and I'm going to show you we've got a wide grip. That's a kind of a, it's got some foam around it, so it makes it have a wide grip here, but the same principles apply. So you are going to go ahead and just grip around, and you're going to avoid the center. Okay, avoid the center here, because that's going to make you over grip. You want to aim for that space right above and loosely grip around that pole. Alright, same thing for a regular size pole. You're going to try and avoid the center palm and try and aim for that above the center, and try and loosely grip your hands, your fingers around that. Oh, here comes He-Man. Sorry about that. Oh gosh. Alright, sorry about that, guys. So let's look at that again. Looking at that again, you're going to aim for that space above the middle palm. So not in the center, but above, and then loosely wrap your fingers around. And this might take some time as you're hanging to get used to this. And this is why it's also important to work that finger strength. All right, your finger, palm, forearm strength, as well as, of course, your core. Alright, Fly Tribe, remember to do your weekly gripping exercises, and we will see you in the next video.